Hi all, today I am going to teach you how to make Spanish omelette. Here are the ingredients: 2 eggs, sliced onion, sliced potato, make it as thin as possible, grated cheese, black pepper powder and salt, and I will need white oil. I have heated the pan and I am adding 1 tablespoon of white oil. Let the oil get heated for some time. I'll add sliced potato and sliced onion. We need to fry it. We need to fry in such a way that your potatoes should get boiled. Put your flame on medium. After frying, put the lid on so that the potatoes will get boiled. Keep it for around 3 to 4 minutes. Now I will add the fried onions and potatoes in the egg. Next I will add black pepper powder, salt to taste, and grated cheese. I have used 1 cube of cheese. Now mix them well. My pan is hot and I have added 1 tablespoon of white oil. Now the batter is also ready. The egg batter, I will add it, the whole thing onto the pan. Spread it little bit. Give it some time. I will put the lid on and I will cook for around 3 minutes and then I will flip it, because that is the speciality of Spanish omelette. Generally in omelette we fry one side, but for Spanish omelette we will be frying it on both the sides. Please note that my oven is on simmer, and throughout this recipe, while you will be cooking, your oven should be in simmer. So one side is cooked. Now I'll flip it to the other side. This time you don't have to put the lid. Just cook for 2 to 3 minutes and it will be ready. See, it's cooked on both the sides. Now we can serve it. Our Spanish omelette is served. This is the perfect dish for your breakfast or snacks. Thanks for watching. If you like the recipe, hit like, share amongst your friends and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon to get more delicious recipes like these.